Hey everyone, Dr. Ortman here with Ortman Chiropractic. I wanted to go over with you today whether you should use heat or use ice for when dealing with injuries and pain. So first I'll start with, this is an ice pack here. If you do not have an ice pack, you can use a frozen bag of peas. These are also pretty easy to get, whether at a Walgreens or Amazon, or even you can purchase these here at our office. So an ice pack is needed for a few things. It does a few things. Ice helps reduce swelling in an area. It helps decrease pain, and it helps numb. So time to use ice is when it's an acute injury. So right after an injury happens, whether it's a sports injury, you twist your ankle, whether after a car accident, or a work injury, that's a great time to use ice. Another time to use ice is if you're after a long day of work. If you notice your back is sore, you want to put ice on it to help reduce some of that swelling. The next is a heating pad. This is a moist hot pack. I don't expect you guys to have these at home, but you can just use a normal heating pad. Also use a moist hot towel. Time to use these is if you're dealing with an issue for a long time, so that'd be considered a chronic problem. So if you just have dealt with low back pain for long periods of time, heat is probably better for you. Also in the morning when you get up, when your muscles are the most tight, and when your spine and back and areas are the most restricted, that's the time to also use heat to help increase blood flow to that area, to help loosen it up when things are tight in the morning. So those are the times whether we would use ice or heat. Both I would recommend using 20 minutes at a time, and then you can also alternate between ice and heat. So if you do want to alternate between ice and heat, I'd recommend using heat first to help warm up those tissues, and then ice after. If you do have any questions regarding whether to use ice or heat and for how long and how often, please feel free to give us a call. Our number is 901-472-4199. We're located in the Midtown area on Poplar Avenue. Thank you.